It is a beautiful day for an estate sale. Let's go in and see what they got. I wonder if this is somebody's stuff. Look how cute. Here's some figurines right here. Bunny. I think I'm gonna get this cutie, and I'm looking at this. I feel like my son Brandon would really like this picture in his room. Doesn't have a price on it though. Here's a beautiful gold mirror. This actually looks exactly like a mirror I have at my house. It's really pretty. I like this art right here too. It's $20, signed by the artist. Look how they did the vase. And I like the framing and the matting. I have these bamboo frames right here. Here's an Avon piece. I like the color of it. Foaming bath oil. Got some blue pieces. This is an interesting basket right here. $15. Very well made. Hey y'all, here's another big mirror right here. It's $100. Here's some hats. I need to start collecting some for my hat wall that I want to do. Oh, I like this one. Yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. I probably would take the bandana off, but I could keep it because that'd be cute to put on it for the 4th of July. I was distracted by the hats. I didn't even notice this cute little rocker. $50. Look at the seat. How pretty. This room looks like it's full of purses. Looks like a camera. Yep. Ooh, this is a really pretty plant stand right here. $30. What is this? I think this is, yes, made in Italy. This is a leather wrapped wine bottle, I believe. These are cute. Picture frames. Oh, is this a little Kapowie babies? Okay, these are cute. I might need these little babies. Look at that one. Rabbit. These look like Hummel pieces, made in West Germany. Look at this doll right here. She's glossy and pretty. I wonder if she has any markings on her.
Oh wait, what did I do? Okay, go this way. Okay, hold on.
Alright, what y'all think? Put a little outfit together from the closet at this estate sale. Should I get some of these pieces? Oh wait, here's a red hat. That could be a part of the Red Hat Society. Does my outfit work? Okay, I just put on the gold hat and I think I kind of like it, y'all. It's vintage. I need to look it up because it looks expensive, but I might need this for something. I think I'm going to get this gold hat. It's really cute, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Here's some baskets right here. This one looks paper mache. Yeah, it is. Dove. There's a picnic basket over there. Here's a magazine rack. Oh, there's some more baskets over there. Here's a cute little basket. I like that one. Oh my gosh. Look at this basket. Oh, I think this is a tree skirt maybe. Here's a laundry basket. But it has handles. This is screened in porch right here, but they have some plants and some garden statues. And look at this. Fish basket. This is coming home with me. They have a bunch of cement figurines out here. Oh, that's cute. Frogs. Oh, and then we got this face right here. And another little frog. Here's a marble plant stand right here. It's $40. This is the garage right here. This is an oil lamp with a wood base. Oh, you know what? It's not an oil lamp. It's a candle holder. Still cute though. Ooh, an old wood box. I swear, there's a George Foreman grill at every estate sale that I go to. What is this? I think it's a bear. Is this a mold? That's pretty. I like the shape of it. Some wooden bowls. I like this box. There's a bunch of Christmas stuff in here. There's a Christmas tree and an urn. Oh, these are cute. Little stuffed Santas. It looks like they got a few of them. They're adorable. I like these. I'm pretty sure they're handmade. Look at this little guy. Okay, this is interesting. What y'all think? Rescue or leave behind? Look, I found a Santa Buschio. He definitely has to come home with me. Has a little backpack as well. This is everything I ended up getting from that estate sale. So not too much, but some very unique items. I absolutely love this fish basket right here and this little Buschio Santa. We got some cute little glass turkey salt and pepper shakers. These are beautiful. They do have salt and pepper in them, but I will take them out. I got some doilies, some hats for myself, some very unique Christmas decor items. And how cute is this going to be with a bird's nest in it with some blue eggs? That is going to be beautiful. That's how I plan on styling this piece up. So y'all leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite item. Oh, and let me know if you would know what these things are. I grabbed them when I was checking out. The lady told me they were for napkin rings, but I don't think that is right. So what do y'all think these are for? I also forgot to show y'all these. I dug them out of the garage. I think they had a light in them at one time, but I'm thinking minis for your trinket shelves at Christmas time. Cute little Santa head. Let's see. I think they might stand up. They do. Okay. Are y'all thinking what I'm thinking? Little bottle brush trees in these Santas. That would be adorable. And I got a whole box of them.